Before we start, a recap of Wall Street's Wednesday's trading. The S&P 500 and the Dow Jones Industrial Average notched new all-time closing highs, with the benchmarks extending their collective winning streak to 5. This Friday, despite the global cheer, Gift Nifty signals a pause for Dalal Street. Our call of the day: no Christmas cheer at Dalal Street. After a cautiously optimistic start, Nifty is likely to drift into another listless, dull and uninspiring session, as bullish traders shall choose to remain on the sidelines amid low holiday volumes and uncertain cues. The two biggest headlines. 1. Relentless foreign outflows. Persistent FII selling continues to cap any meaningful upside. 2. Lingering US-India trade frictions. Bottom line, Friday's session is expected to be marked by indecision, caution and absence of conviction. Santa may once again skip Dalal Street. Market trends. Global cues, positive. FII, minus 1,721.30 crores. DII, plus 2,381.30 crores. Sentiment, neutral. Market breadth, neutral. Technicals, consolidation. Fando, 25,700 to 26,700 zone. India VIX 9.19, minus 2.00%. USD INR futures, December, 89.84. Nifty PCR, 30th December, 0.91. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th December, 0.69. Nifty outlook: Nifty may consolidate. No massive rally in sight. Nifty may struggle for direction. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty is currently at 26,142. The support levels are 26,047 and 25,903, while resistance is at 26,326 and 26,900. The trading range is 26,050 to 26,250, with a neutral bias. The 21-day moving average is 26,025, the 50-day is 25,892, and the 200-day is 24,862. Sensex is currently at 85,409. Support levels are 85,151 and 84,231, with resistance at 86,200 and 87,100. The range is 85,100 to 85,700, and the bias is neutral. The 21-day moving average is 85,169, the 50-day is 84,619, and the 200-day is 81,485. Bank Nifty is currently at 59,184. Support comes in at 58,700 and 58,100, with resistance at 59,600 and 60,115. The range is 58,700 to 59,600, with a neutral bias. The 21-day moving average is 59,314, the 50-day is 58,639, and the 200-day is 55,646. Stock market news. 1. Dalal Street's end-of-year run could take a pause, as bullish consolidation shall be the preferred theme. 2. Gold's buoyancy shall continue to lift gold financer stocks. Manappuram, IIFL Finance lead rally. Gold financer stocks surged as gold prices shattered fresh all-time highs, triggering strong buying interest across the sector. Manappuram Finance, plus 7.11%, IIFL Finance, plus 5.28%, Muthoot Finance, minus 0.30%, and other gold-focused counters scaled new 52-week highs. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Vikar Engineering jumped 11.24% after the company announced a major solar EPC order win. The company has secured a work order worth 2,035 rupees. 26 crore from Onyx Renewables to set up 600 megawatts AC solar power projects across multiple locations in Maharashtra. The order will be executed on a turnkey EPC basis. 2. GK Energy jumped 2.96% after the company received an amended letter of empanelment from Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Company. The order is valued at 254.30 crore rupees.